Hello guys, how are you today? My name is Abdul Ahwan from Indonesia, and today's video we will learn how do we create something like error page or page not found or something similar like that. Okay, so this video would be two sections. The first video is about how do we design in Adobe XD, and the second video is about how do we implement the design in Android Studio. But before we are going to the main topic of this video, I am so grateful if you want to click the subscribe button to make this channel growing up. Okay, thank you so much, and let's get started with my video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video we will learn together how do we create or how do we design something like error page, page not found in Adobe XD. Okay, the first thing we need to do is connect our computer to the internet connection because we need to find some inspiration. Okay, we'll create something like this, 404 not found, like this maybe, or this one, but I'm so interested with this design and I want to modify this design. Okay, so I think I will change this image to something like animation. Okay, if you haven't yet watched my last video, you can watch. It's so awesome. It's called Lottie Animation Library. So with Lottie Animation Library, we can add animation in our Android Studio project. Okay, so I open Lottie file or Lottie Animation Library. You can go to the lottiefiles.com and then you can scroll up, scroll down. There is stunning animation, this, and many more. Okay, because I want to create page not found screen, so I search in the search input 404 and just press enter. Then still loading. Okay, maybe this one, but I need modify the color. The first is just click and then we will modify this color with blue, yellow, blue, and other. Okay, because we can download this animation to be PNG, so I need to edit layer color and it will bring us to the Lottie editor. So with this Lottie editor we can change the color we want, or we can maybe remove this. We can see layer visibility, so I change this color to blue and many more, and I have changed to this. Okay, this is my screenshot after I change the color. Okay, the next step is open Adobe XD. This is my Adobe XD and this is add-on page. The first is we need to create a new project, maybe this, select this, and I select Android mobile. Still loading. Okay, and then maybe we need to change to 404 page, something like that. And we can press space on the keyboard to move our artboard. Okay, and the first thing we need to do is I import my animation, this. Okay, and maybe I change the size. Okay, and make it center and add some margin. Okay, look like this. Okay, look like this. And the next, I add text. And change font to pop in, and just press enter and change to medium. Okay, it's so awesome. Make it center. And I add some margin. And then select this and press Ctrl D to duplicate, and then change to the page you were looking for doesn't exist, and make it center and change to regular and decrease to 16 maybe. Boom. Okay, and the last thing we need to do is add button. Maybe look like this, and remove border and change the color to something similar or something like maybe magenta. Boom. And add some rounded corner. Okay, and the last thing, maybe duplicate this and then change to go to home and change color to white. And make it center. And I add some margin, maybe 64. Okay, look like this. Okay, I think it's so awesome. Maybe enough. So in the next video, I'll try to convert this design in Android Studio. Okay, that's all my video today. In the next video, we will learn how do we convert this design in Android Studio. And if you want to download like Adobe XD project file, link in the description below. And if you have any questions or comment, write it down on the comment field. Thank you so much and see you again on the next video.